This is not just a simple modeling course. You'll learn how to create a complete environment from scratch to final cinematic output. We start with base house modeling, then move into adding architectural and environmental details to make the scene feel realistic and alive. After that, we go through professional UV mapping and material creation for both the main structure and the entire environment. Next, you'll learn how to use free tools and scripts to create grass, trees, and natural environment scattering to build believable large-scale scenes. Then we move into lighting, rendering, and final output creation. But the most exciting part comes in post-production. In this stage, we work with both online AI tools and local offline AI models. You'll learn how to enhance your raw renders, extract more details, and blend AI-enhanced results with the original render, while keeping everything natural and production quality. This is a complete modern environment workflow, from zero to a professional cinematic result.